Ito mga ka-Glen Abs, dito tayo ngayon. Dinayo natin to Arabella here at Liliw, Laguna. So dinayo natin, tikman natin itong restaurant na to dito sa Liliw. Sige, let's go inside. Yun, from the church, pag ikot ng Liliw Church, pag second kanto lang, ito, makikita nyo na ito, Arabella, since 2003. Okay, so ito yung ano, parang bahay lang ito actually na ginawa. Nag-o-open siya 12 noon. So kanina pagka namin 11, so bumalik kami puno na. So waiting kami for next lunch. Waiting nila kasi maliit nga lang inside. So ito yung house. Then yan. Alright, so that's the details here. Operation hours 12 to 6 p.m. Sige, I'll show you inside. Alright, at anyway, while waiting, meron silang waiting area dito. Ayun, ang waiting area dito. Sa kanila tawagin pag available na inside. Let's go. Ito na. For waiting for about 20 minutes. Sige. Let's go inside. Let's go inside the Arabella. Ito na. Ito na yung loob. This is inside. Oh, dito. This is inside. Sige. This is inside the Arabella. Okay. Pagbungad, dito yung mga plates. See? So, bukit. Ayan, cheesecake, triple liquor, blueberry, pistachio, chocolate mousse, red velvet, dulce de leche, carrot cake. And then may mga cookies din sila here. See? Mga cookies nila. Ayan. Maliit lang siya actually. So big inside here. Ayan lang. And then that's the bar area. Alcohol here. Ayan. Yeah, here we go. Our lunch for today. Rice, the pink salmon. Pre with soda. Saka ito naman yung Blue Marlin. Dessert, cake. Siyempre, pag merong main course, may dessert.
Sige na, tikman na natin.
Go! Kasi itong house na to, ito yung ginawang resto. So kung titingnan nyo yung ceiling, ayan na, oh, abot kamay, di ba? See that? Abot kamay. So ganun lang. I think upstairs yung house. So dito, maliit siya. Pero ano naman, so class naman na resto here. Liliw. Yummy naman yung food.